So this is the Riverwalk during the day in San Antonio, Texas. You see a beautiful mallard duck over here. There's a few ducks actually. There's a couple of them. Good mom, good mom. Big old duck.
Watching you.
I know, yeah. There's ducks are everywhere. Are you gonna touch one? You'd have a heart attack if it flew up at your face or something.
Oh, I even got that video.
Don't let it hit Jordan.
Huh? The restaurant's right around the corner here. Like our hotel is right here. There's a bunch of restaurants and stuff. And that's where the boat is, entrance to the boat. It's Houston Street up here for legendary Sam Houston, another native Tennessean. Look down there, isn't that beautiful? Little cascading waterfalls. Infamous Landry Seafood House. You've been there before. That's where we went to in Galveston, remember?
Yeah.
There's a Bubba Gump up here, Hard Rock Cafe, and then there's a bunch of like Tex-Mex over here as well.
Yeah.
So what about eating at Dick's Last Resort up here? Would y'all like that?
I've never eaten there, so.
Perfect. It's a national chain, but San Antonio River Street. We're about to cross under Navarro Street. So this is the San Antonio River Walk. It's a beautiful day. It's about 103 degrees out here, just slightly under death. That's how it feels in Texas anyway. But yeah, and then we're coming out to the open area where our hotel was at, the Four Brothers and things like that. Rio Plaza, Bonita Ritas. And then this is the entrance for the boat, which is the next part of our journey. So I'm pretty excited about that, as you probably know. But yeah, we're gonna try to jump on this boat in a minute. Check it out. It's a beautiful, beautiful waterfall. It's like there's tons of these everywhere. I'm gonna let them go ahead and go. Con permiso.